ekuseni nilalele umsakazo Music Gardens FM Channel 33 with Bombele umkenenezo womphefumulo la sithi khona izwi laba ngumuntu. Siyabonga ukuthi ningene emsakazweni umhla ka-10 kaFebruary 2026. Isikhathi u10 to 7 ekuseni. It's a Tuesday. uLwesibili. uNkulunkulu esasigcinile nje, sibona umusa wakhe uvamile, sibona umusa wakhe umusha njalo ekuseni. But how are you? Niyaphila? America, Asia, and Europe, and Africa, niphila nonke. Siyathemba ukuthi uNkulunkulu nani futhi unisibekele ngenkazimulo yakhe. Akayekile ukukhuluma, akayekile ukucommunicate nathi. Sometimes noma singanakile, but uNkulunkulu uhlale ekhuluma nathi. Bengeke siphile ngaphandle kwakhe. Bungeke uphefumule ngaphandle kwakhe. Amandla okuphila kuye. So kunaleyo communication eyenzakalayo. Ukuthi ke uma singekho aware about yona, siba nokuduka endleleni singazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Kanti uma si aware ukuthi unathi and uyena usustain impilo zethu, kuba lula kakhulu. uNkulunkulu muhle nasekuseni. I want to give glory to God nje ngalomsakazo asiphe wona, wathi use this instrument to bring awareness to your other fellow humankind, ukuthi bazi ukuthi ngikhona, bazi ukuthi nginabo futhi angisoze ngabashiya. Ngibabekela isikhathi esihle, isikhathi sokuthi babuse, bangifuze la emhlabeni. So that's what uNkulunkulu akushilo kithi. Siyabonga kakhulu nje, siqhubeka nendaba yethu kaMose, okuyindaba esithe asike sithe cliche, because iyona more detailed regarding ijourney yomuntu and nama weaknesses omuntu noma ama failures omuntu. So iyawaveza ukuthi sifeature ufela kephi and okusenza ukuthi sihambe endaweni eyodwa but not growing actually, but si end up sesifa singafikile endaweni. So this story it's a good story ngoba iqala kahle from ukhokho uAbraham owabizwa wathiwa akayizweni angalazi, wahamba ngokukholwa and then wagcina sethola abantwana lapho kwijourney yakhe, wasethola nomntwana okuthiwa uJakobe. After angithi wazala uIsaac ke wasethola abantwana ke uJakobe noEsau. So and then that's where uIsrael uqhamuka khona ke, ngoba uJakobe washintsha igama kwathi uIsrael, ukusho ukuthi wayesebizwa ngokwe calling yakhe, ebizwa from igama elalotshiwe kuye before azazalwe, okungukuthi nawe unegama, kune function owatshelwa yona before you were born, kwathiwa wena uzoba yilokhu, kufanele wenze lokhu. So nalelo gama, so kulomsakazo sifuna ukuthi abantu badiscover lawo magama abo, ngoba igama lihambisana nefunction, lihambisana nakho konke umuntu adalele kona. So ilokho nje sigqugquzelayo. So siyayithanda le ndaba ngoba iveza konke, iveza nama challenges ukuthi icebo laNkulunkulu liba nama challenges, but engazili ukuzolibulala kodwa ezolikhulisa. So uma umuntu oliphethe elazi uyasurvive with joy, azi ukuthi akukona ukuthi uzobulawa or kunezinto ezirong azenzayo, but ukuthi licebo lizoqiniswa kumuntu. Lalela umsakazo Music Gardens FM Channel 33 noBombele umkenenezo womphefumulo, la sithi khona izwi laba ngumuntu. Yes, uNkulunkulu muhle. Sizoqhubeka ke nendaba yethu kaMose. Into ezokwenzeka ukuthi sizoyikhatha khona la sizoyikhatha khona ngoba ngifuna ke sibone ama results, because remember ukuthi ijourney kaMose ayiqalanga kahle hle. He was lost. He couldn't believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu engamthuma, so wayenza ama complaints ekhonona all the way kwaze kwangenela kubantu ayibahola. So okwakwakha esinye isithombe futhi okwakwakha esinye isihlahla, ngoba khumbula ukuthi uma kule journey divine yonke into eyishoyo kuyo iyazaleka. That's an unfortunate part of this journey, ukuthi you are in a good soil. So this good soil, it takes everything, and it grows. Ingakho kuthiwa umuntu oye ekubhujisweni ngenxa yakhe, ngenxa yezinto azenzile, ukusho ukuthi wena uma kule journey you are in a very sensitive environment, an environment very powerful. It gives life to anything. Oh my God. So ingakho fanele siqaphele ukuthi asingabazi uNkulunkulu futhi asicomplain, ngoba ukucomplaina kwethu kuyatshaleka, and lo mhlabathi uyinkinga, indlela oyinkinga ngayo uyakumilisa lokho ukucomplaina, and once kwamila ku-end up kuyi-Jericho lakho, ku-end up kuyindonga, kuba udonga empilweni yakho okuzofanele uzame ukulibreaka. Akufika ubuhlungu ukubreak into eyenziwe wena futhi okade ungahlosile ukuyenza. But so ingakho nje ukuthi ukucomplaina, I won't lie, it comes into that point, but nje fanele sibe careful, because whatever that you do kule environment, it grows. This is the holy ground. It's a very fertile ground. So anything otshala iyamila khona. Oh my God. Ngibuka nje nestory sika masikhulunywa ngoLucifer, kuthiwa waba nempakamo, and impakamo yamila, and yamenza ukuthi abe chest axoshwe from that place. Umbuzo uthi yamila kanjani? It's because of the ground. The holy ground of God is fertile. Anything oyitshala khona iyamila, so fanele ubheke ukuthi utshalani kuyo ukuze ube right empilweni, ube umuntu ophila ekunqobeni. So let's read chapter 16. Siyakhumbula ukuthi ku-27 bahamba baya e-Elimi, la babona khona imithombo eyishumi namasunu 7. La uNkulunkulu ayebakhombisa khona ukuthi, guys, ngiyazi ukuthi what's going on in your life, ngiyazi niqale kanjani, ngiyazi abantu abazalwe ngu-Israyeli uJakobe bawu-12, and ni-10 eGibhithe nani u-70, but now you are about 600,000 people. So kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu wayebaphuzisa i-knowledge yokuthi bayingakhohlwa. But-ke ake sizwe ku-16, because i-journey yokucomplaina kakhulu engifuna siyibuke, and then bese sibuka ama-challenges ayo, ukuthi ahambe umuntu amise kephi. Not ukuthi abantwana Israel they were weak, but i-situation abakuso ukuthi nathi njengabantu siyafika kule situation where sibona izinto engenzeki, but esizokuxwayisa ikona ukuthi kuba ijeni eba nesiphetho esingesihle kahle hle uma uhamba kule jeni ucomplaina ngayo yonke into, njalo uhlala ufisa ukubuyela emuva la uphuma khona ebugqileni. So leyo mentality kule season ayizoqualify, because this is a season of kingship. It's a season of work. It's a season of responsibilities. We have to be responsible. We have to create systems that are godly, systems that are righteous. So it's a very sensitive season. So it's a season of the warriors who won victories, so akubona akuyona isizini yabantu abanteketeke, but abantu abathemba labo likuKristu uNkulunkulu wethu owuyena who created us, Yeah, listen to Music Happens FM, channel 33 with Bompele, the sound for your soul. Umkenenezo, umphefumulo. Lalela umsakazo Music Happens FM. Mhla 10 February 2026. Time is 7 o'clock now. Yeah, the Lord is here. The Lord is with us. He's within us. uNkulunkulu nathi uphakathi kwethu. Akakwazi ukuhlukana nathi ngoba ngeke siphile ngaphandle kwakhe. So it's amazing. So it reads as follows la Exodus 7:16 uthi basuka eElimi ibandla lonke labantwana bakwaIsrael lafika ehlane lasesini eliphakathi kweElimu neSinayi. iSinayi intaba ke le ngosuku lwe-15 lwenyanga yesibili emva kokuphuma ezweni laseGibhithe. Lonke ibandla labantwana beIsrael lakhonona kuMose. lakhonona kuMose nangu-Aaron ehlane. Abantwana bakwa-Israyeli bathi kubo, sengathi ngasafa ngesandla what? Let me read it correctly. Lithi lonke ibandla labantwana bakwa-Israyeli lakhonona, should they complained ngoMose nango-Aaron ehlane. So abantwana bakwa-Israyeli bathi kubo, sengathi ngasafa ngesandla sikaJehova ezweni laseGibhithe, lapho sasihlezi ngasemakhanzini emnyama sidla isinkwa sisutha, ngokuba nisiphumisele kuleli hlane ukuyobulala lonke ibandla leli bandla ngendlala. Nkosi yami, these are things efanele sibheke nje kule season. Ave kubhlungu kuNkulunkulu ngempela, even though azi ukuthi vele this is what we're gonna do, but because he knows ukuthi a gratitude heart, a heart with gratitude, it promotes the person, So if inhliziyo yakho inokubonga, automatically we arise and become a mountain. You become a sanctuary. By default, you take the throne of rulership. So that's what we are pushing in this FM. Ukuthi abantu ababe nenhliziyo eyibongayo, noku-appreciate uNkulunkulu uma esikhanda, esakha, esitesta, esibuilder, because uyazi ukuthi usakhelani. So now lana sebeyakhonona ukuthi kungcono bafa eGibhithe kunokuthi bazofela ehlane, ngoba eGibhithe babedla izinkwa. Wasemekhohliwe ukuthi uNkulunkulu wayeshilo ukuthi fanele baphume, because leli izwe laseGibhithe kwangalona izwe okufanele bahlale kulo. Kwakuyindlela yokufunda noku-understand amandla kaNkulunkulu. So okungukuthi siyasifundisaneni ukuthi la sikhona manje, sikhona because uNkulunkulu usasidlulisa khona. Kunendawo la kufanele sibe khona, asibekele yona after i-process. So bakhona ke ngendlala And then uJehova wayesethi kuMose, bheka ngiza kunisela isinkwa sivela ezulwini, abantu bayokuphuma babuthe isabelo sosuku ngemihla ukuze ngibavivinye ukuthi bazokuhamba yini emthethweni wami noma cha. Remember ukuthi le jeni phela bahamba ngayo kwakuyijeni yesikole ukuthi bazokwazi ukulalela ngoba eKhanani kusetshenzwa ngokulalela. Ayikho enye indlela nakule season esikhuluma ngayo, isizini yokubusa ekulungeni, isizini yokulalela, which is called obedience. So ngeke usurvive kule season without being obedient. You just do as God says. You don't do your own thing. You listen to him, and because yonke into izobe iphethwe ngoba ubuzo actually akuthina esibusayo uyena obusa ngathi. Fanele sikukhumbule ngoba phela sizalwe nguye, so konke sikona ngenxa yakhe, so sibusa ngaye. Ingakho kumele silalele, and walibona igloves ligoloza ukungena emnweni, uba irritated, kuba buhlungu kabi, but it has to obey because umsebenzi walo ukuthi lithatha iform yesandla. Do you understand ukuthi igloves lithatha iform yesandla, hayi ukuthi isandla sithatha iform yegloves. So nathi ke ukubusa kwethu sibusa ngokuthatha iform yombuso kaNkulunkulu and manifest emhlabeni, so now uNkulunkulu ke uthi uzobanikeza isinkwa, but into eqhubayo eyokumlalela, because uyabatshela ukuthi bazovuka ekuseni bathatha isinkwa esanele, uthi babuthe isabelo sosuku imihla ngemihla ukuze ngibavivinye ukuthi bazokuhamba yini emithethweni wami noma cha. Uverse 5 uthi kuza kuthi ngosuku lwesithupha bakulungise abakungenisileyo, kuza kuba ngokuphindwe kabili kwalokhu abakubutha imihla ngemihla. uMose no-Aaron bathi kubo bonke abantwana Israyeli, ngakusihlwa niyakwazi ukuthi uJehova unikhiphile ezweni laseGibhithe. Kusasa niyakubona inkazimulo kaJehova, lokhu ezwile izinkonono zenu ngoJehova, thina siyini kuba nikhonone ngathi na? So and uMose wathi lokhu kuzakwenzeka lapho uJehova ukunika inyama kusihlwa ukuba nidle, nasekuseni isinkwa ukuze nisuthe, ngokuba uJehova uyezwa izinkonono zenu enikhonona ngaye ngazo. Thina siyini? Izinkonono zenu azingathi zingoJehova. Sebeqala nabo ukudinwa manje bakhonona kubona, but bese bebonile ekuqaleni ukuthi uJehova obahambise ngale ndlela badumisa. So enye into esifanele siyibheke kule season ukuthi singakhohlwa. Mhlampe nje ngizogcina lapho for now ukuthi ngenxa yesikhathi sethu ukuthi sibe abantu abangikhumbulayo, sikulwela ukukhumbula, because ukulula ukukhohlwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyena oqala ijeni yakho. Ngenxa yendlala usukhohliwe ukuthi wena usesithembisweni, okusho ukuthi isithembiso sine provision. So ilokho nje cacisa ekuseni, one ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyasithesta, uyasivivinya ngenxa yengqondo yethu ekufanele ibe strong, nokuthi sifunde ukumlalela, and it gives us things to do just to see ukuthi uyalalela yini. Sometimes ngeke kube mnandi, but ke we have to obey, and then bese kuba yikona lokho esikhulume ngakho, kungakhohlwa. Don't forget. Kunomhlabelelo othi ungamlibali uThixo, okusho ukuthi ungakhohlwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu nguye ukuqalile futhi nguye ozokuphetha. So okuningi kwenzeka ekukhohlweni, nokucomplaina kwenziwa ukukhohlwa. So into engangike ngitshela unkosikazi ngithi mina I think uAdamu, what happened is balahlekelwa imemory and they forgot ukuthi they were put in the garden by God, and everything was planted by God for them, and they forgot that thing. So kubalekile ukuthi singakhohlwa nje into esingayifunda namhlanje kuseni ukuthi asikhumbule yonke icabanga izinto odlule kuzo nezinto uNkulunkulu akufundise zona empilweni, so that uzokwazi to carry on in this journey of faith, the journey that is divine. Siyabonga kakhulu nje ngokuthi niqhubeke nokulalela umsakazo omusha, ohlala omusha njalo, omusha for isikhathi esisha la sithi khona abantu mababe yizwi uNkulunkulu alifake kubo. God bless you. I'm gonna see you in the afternoon drive. Sithi nje abantu ababuse kuye Kristu edwala. God bless you.